Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Habiba radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, let me derive benefit from my husband, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father Hazrat Abu Sufyan, and my brother Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhum. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you have besought Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for those life terms which have already been fixed, the days already measured and provision already allotted. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would neither advance anything from its due time nor delay anything beyond its due time. It would have been better for you if you had invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to grant you refuge against the torment of fire or the torment in grave. The reporter says, the monkeys or perhaps the swine were mentioned in his presence. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu did not cause the people that underwent metamorphosis to exist, whereas monkeys and swines would exist even before it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6712.